Hi, welcome to Lispy Kitchen. Are you looking for a refreshing cold coffee drinks to enjoy this summer? Today I will show you the best way to make iced coffee effortlessly only in 3 steps. So don't skip the video. Subscribe our channel, click the bell icon to get notification. So let us go for the recipe. For making iced coffee, first we have to prepare a cream. I took 2 5 rupee packets of brew. Add coffee powder to the mixer jar. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Grind well to a fine powder. It became a smooth powder. Add 3 to 4 ice cubes. Blend well until it becomes creamy consistency. Add 1 more ice cube. Blend again, let it be more creamy. We got a fine cream. If there is leftover cream, we can keep it in refrigerator for further use. Garnish inside the glass with some chocolate syrup. Add some ice cubes to the serving glass. Add 2 tablespoons of cream. You can add more as you wish. I already boiled and cooled this milk and kept in refrigerator. Add this chilled milk. Garnish with some chocolate syrup. This is a delicious summer coffee drink you have to try. I think this iced coffee will save you so much money in summer. So let us enjoy at home. Bye.